Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're showing you guys City Tycoon after I didn't show y'all a video of it like a week ago maybe. So just to tell you, I spent Robux on this game and now I'm godly. So yeah, I got a bunch of like state buildings. I bought the golden skyscraper. I bought the nuclear panel that gives you so much money. 14 million. I bought the airport, that's 400, that's 355 Robux. But so much stuff, and these guys are just noobs. I don't get it. They're just all noobs. And I bought 2 times land, so I could build more stuff around, like 2 times land. You already own this item, yeah. I know that. But I bought 2 squares. No, I do not want to sell that. I'm gonna build, dude, no one's gonna beat me. Literally no one. I really don't get it. I'm gonna buy this. Oh god, that's huge. So yeah, this isn't gonna be like a long video. This is just to show you all. This is gonna be a very short video. This is just to show you all what I've done and worked on the past couple weeks. So I got an ocean, I got a bunch of stuff over here. Got some houses, I got my nuclear panels. They are over here. They give it 22,000. 22,000. Which is so much money. Yeah, a nuclear power plant generates 22,000. This might be a little long video. Not, but if it is, it's gonna be barely any long. You see, I'm about to go on a skyscraper. I'm gonna buy one of these. Rotate. Place right there. Buy one of these. And place it. I can't place it anymore. You know what I'm gonna place? That's my door ring bell, I think. I'm gonna build a police station. I need a lots of bus stop. Need a bunch of bus stops. And here you go. There's a state. So now I'm gonna get to this end of the video to show you all my town. And what the quack is that? Boss baby. I'm just gonna look at other people's bases. How bad they are. I wish I could say you're trash. This kid's literally trash though. Not offense, but he is trash. No offense. Florida and no, New Orleans would be the best in here. That's so much money. I should check other people's bases. Stated Island. Dude, this is literally trash, you idiot. Is someone looking at my suit? No offense, but you're all noobs. That sucks, damn. It literally sucks. Sucky, nucky. No one in this place better than me. God, that dude's tiny at him. Dude, that breast trash. No wonder my base. Michael, I'm sorry, but I don't think anyone loves. Well, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video right here. So I'll see y'all in my next video.